Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and boosting my family's immune system has become so important to me, and that's why I got these Frontier Co-op European elderberries. We used to take elderberry syrup anytime we had a sniffle or a cold or a throat tickle, and it helped us out so much, but it got to be really expensive, especially during the pandemic. So I decided just to order my own dried elderberries and make tea. It's so easy. The instructions come on the back. You just need 1 teaspoon per 8 ounce of hot water. It helps if you have your own tea strainer or a diffuser. You can even use a French press if you've got one of those. You just let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes and then it's ready. We also like to add our own ingredients to the tea or steep it with tea bags for more flavor. Speaking of flavor, the flavor of elderberries is very mild. It tastes a little bit like raisins, so nothing too strong, something that kids can easily handle. I like to personally make an entire pot of it, and then everyone in the family can drink it. Because if one person is sick, then the rest of them are going to be sick. So if you're looking to boost your immune system, then you should try elderberries. That's just my point of view.